The GoPro Max 2 is 360 content to the max. No aiming, no framing, just press record and capture everything around you in stunning, true 8K 360 video. Whether you're filming for a family holiday or creating content for your channel, the GoPro Max 2 makes it easy to shoot immersive footage. Just hit the shutter button, the camera captures every angle so you don't have to think about positioning. Mount the GoPro Max 2 to an extension pole and it disappears from your footage. That means clean, floating shots that look like they were filmed by somebody else. Perfect for invisible selfies, aerial style views, and smooth 360 captures. The replaceable lenses are made from tough water-repelling optical glass. If they get scratched, you can swap them out without replacing the whole camera. It's built for adventure and ready for rough conditions. 6 microphones deliver immersive audio to match the visuals. You get 360 stereo sound with wind noise reduction, and in single lens mode, the audio automatically focuses on what the camera sees. Photos are just as impressive. The GoPro Max 2 captures 29 megapixel 360 images that you can crop, zoom, and reframe with full flexibility. You'll get the action and the reactions all in one shot. Once you've recorded, jump into the GoPro Quick app to change your 360 footage into traditional 4K videos. It only takes a few taps to create shareable clips that look professionally shot and play back perfectly on your phone, TV, or social feed. Reframing is simple. Pick your angles, track movement, add transitions, and switch between modes, all from your phone. The creative possibilities are huge, and the process is fast. Record everything, share anything, and make every moment epic. Check out the GoPro Max 2 now, available at JB Hi-Fi.